Hello, Princess Ishfi. What you are doing?
We're playing in the playground and are having fun.
Wow, do you like here?
Yes.
Oh, it's your elephant and another Princess Arika.
I'll show you, Mom.
Oh, hello, Ishfi. What you are doing?
I'm swinging it. Hello.
Hello, Princess.
We're playing.
Oh, you are playing on the park. Hi, Arfi. Ishfi, you prince. Oh, I can see a slime. I can see a little slime, pink color slime. Where it's gone? Oh, I see that. Oh, look at that. There is a slime.
Hello, Mommy. Let's go. And climb and bounce.
Okay, let's
La,
go.
la, 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 la. Hello, Mommy. It's too slippery. And this was so...
Ishfi, princess, what are you gonna do now?
My light's gonna open.
You gonna open it? What's that? Wow, this is slime. I can see it's a slime.
Elephant's here.
What elephant is doing?
Let's go. I want to do this one.
Okay,
Oh, help
you can
her.
climb. Yeah, help her.
And an elephant will stay here.
Okay,
Her turn will come any minutes.
okay.
Hey, that's Maya. Now can you place it on here?
Wow. Wow, your princess is really enjoying Ishfi on the park. Wow.
I did it.
Well done. Oh, I think it's stuck, Ishfi. Help me, Ishfi. Help me.
You can
Oh.
fall down. Okay. Let's go to this one. Monkey, monkey, monkey. La, la,
Wow.
la. La, 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 la. Help me. Help me. Someone help me.
Okay, you are a princess. You should help.
He literally fell down and there.
What?
He's a baby and he's a baby.
Oh.
They're all twins. He's a girl and he's a girl.
Oh, so
He
cute.
named Elephant, he named his Princess.
Yes.
I named them.
Oh, you named them?
Yes. Now we're going to do a little bit more swing.
Okay.
Last one swing. Last one. His name is Princess. You say okay, Princess. Easy. The last one because he didn't want to fly.
Who wants to do first? Hi, Arvi. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Woo!
I want to help
Woo! Oh!
I want to come down. Look!
Wow!
Yes!
Wow, Arvi!
Only going to stay here. He's being good girl and Elephant being bad.
Why is that?
Because elephants are not good girls.
Oh, that's good job.
He's a boy, he's a girl.
Okay.
I do.
Arfi, good job.
They're all not twins.
Oh!
I want to go to the camping ground.
Okay.
Wait. Look,
Wow, it's a good
the
job.
dog is wiggling.
Wow.
Look, the doll's wiggling. The doll's wiggling. Look, the doll's wiggling.
Alfie, what's that?
Slime.
Slime. Do you like slime?
I want to go to that one.
You want to go to that one?
Let's
Okay.
go.
Alfie, go. Let's go.
My turn. I
Okay.
want to choose. Mom, help me. No, the princess and elephant will go there.
Okay.
It's not. It's not surrounded, pal. Yeah, my turn. That's not fair. La 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 la. La 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 la. It was so easy. Dolly know how to do that. La 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 la. I did it.
Well done.
I want to go play this one, the horse one. Let's go. It's so big, it's big.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna do higher.
Okay. Wow, Ishfi,
I'm gonna do
so much fun. Elephant say, wow, Ishfi, so much fun.
And let's go home.
We'll play again tomorrow.
No, I want to play a bit more. We'll see tomorrow. We're gonna go tomorrow. Elephant, we're gonna go tomorrow. Okay, Princess Ishfi. Stay here all day. Princess Ishfi. No, it's too late. It's 2 o'clock. Gonna be closed tomorrow. Gonna be closed 2 days. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 people, they're not going. Look, they're gonna go tomorrow. They're staying here. And let's go. Thank you for watching the videos. Hope you enjoy. Bye. And we're gonna do the next video. I love it so much. We're gonna do the next video. And Elf and Dolly are gonna do it too.